Learn how to create viral CapCut templates that get millions of views and earn money from them. In this video, we'll show you the secrets to designing templates that go viral on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, this video is perfect for anyone looking to monetize their CapCut skills and turn their passion into a profitable business. So, what are you waiting for? Watch until the end to learn how to create viral CapCut templates and get paid. Did you know that CapCut templates have been used in millions of videos on TikTok, sparking viral trends and transforming content creators into overnight sensations? What if you could create your own viral templates and get paid for it? The demand for eye-catching, easy-to-use video templates is skyrocketing as creators look for new ways to stand out. By mastering CapCut's powerful tools and leveraging your creativity, you can tap into this trend, gain exposure, and even monetize your designs. Would you like to explore how to create templates that go viral and turn your skills into a profitable venture? CapCut templates are transforming the way creators produce viral content, offering a quick and creative solution for anyone looking to make eye-catching videos. These templates combine trendy effects, synced transitions, and customizable options, making them a go-to tool for creators on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. By tapping into this trend and creating your own viral CapCut templates, you open the door to exciting monetization opportunities. Whether through CapCut's template creator program, affiliate marketing, brand partnerships, or even selling exclusive designs, there are multiple ways to turn your creativity into profit. The beauty of this approach is its accessibility. Anyone with a passion for video editing and an understanding of trends can join the wave. Ready to learn how to make templates that capture attention and generate income? Creating viral CapCut templates and getting paid is a great way to make the most of the app's popularity. Start by understanding the latest trends. Research platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and CapCut's Explore page to see what's popular, including themes, audio, and effects. Analyze successful templates to identify the elements that contribute to their virality. Mastering CapCut tools is essential. Explore features like keyframe animations, masking, transitions, and speed ramping. Experiment with unique styles such as smooth zooms, split-screen effects, or creative overlays to make your templates stand out. When designing templates, focus on creating high-engagement content. Incorporate elements like countdowns or sync edits that captivate users. Ensure your templates are easy to customize so users can quickly replace media with their own. Prioritize aesthetic appeal with trendy themes like cinematic transitions or aesthetic journaling. Promotion is key to gaining traction. Share your templates on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts with a clear call to action, encouraging users to try them out. Use trending hashtags related to your niche to boost visibility and reach a wider audience. There are several ways to monetize your templates. Partner with CapCut if their template creator program is available in your region, as this offers payment for template usage. Affiliate marketing is another option. Embed affiliate links in your social media bio for tools or services you promote through your templates. Collaborate with brands to create branded templates for their campaigns or sell exclusive designs on platforms like Gumroad or Ko-Fi. Engaging with your audience is vital for growth. Create tutorials to demonstrate how to use your templates effectively. Listen to feedback from your users and refine your designs based on their suggestions. Build a community by interacting with users who share videos made from your templates. Creating engaging CapCut templates involves a combination of creativity, technical skills, and an understanding of viral trends. Stay updated on what's trending on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and CapCut's Explore page. Look for popular themes, music, and editing styles. Pay attention to trending hashtags, challenges, or audio clips that you can incorporate into your template. Decide the purpose of your template. Will it focus on transitions, storytelling, or cinematic aesthetics? Choose a theme that resonates with current trends, such as mood boards, travel clips, or aesthetic edits. Familiarize yourself with CapCut's features, including keyframe animations for smooth transitions and dynamic movements. Masking and overlays to create layered effects and unique designs. Speed ramping for dramatic slow motion or fast-paced edits. Text and effects to add captions or visual flair. Open CapCut and select the videos or photos you want to use as placeholders for your template. Add transitions, effects, and animations that align with your chosen theme. Sync your edits to the beat of a trending audio clip to enhance engagement. Ensure your template is easy to customize by keeping placeholders clearly defined. Make your template visually appealing with consistent colors, smooth transitions, and a clear flow. Avoid overcomplicating the design. Simplicity often makes templates more user-friendly and popular. Use trending audio tracks to increase visibility when shared on TikTok or Instagram. Include a catchy title and description for your template that emphasizes its purpose, e.g., cinematic travel montage template. Test your template by creating a sample video to ensure smooth functionality and appeal. Export your template and upload it to CapCut's template section. Share the template on social platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts with a call to action. Use trending hashtags to improve discoverability. Apply for CapCut's Template Creator program if it's available in your region. Partner with brands to create branded templates for their marketing campaigns. Sell exclusive or premium templates on platforms like Gumroad or Ko-Fi. Promote affiliate products through your templates and earn commissions. Respond to comments and feedback from users who use your templates. Create tutorials or behind-the-scenes content showing how you designed them to build a loyal community. Monitor metrics like template views, uses, and shares. Identify patterns in successful templates and refine your future designs based on what works best. Here are some specific CapCut template ideas along with suggestions on how to make them stand out using free AI tools. Create a template synced to trending audio or challenges on TikTok, e.g., glow-up transformations, travel adventures. Runway ML enhance transitions with AI-generated background replacements or effects. ChatGPT write catchy captions or overlay text to complement the theme. Moodboard or aesthetic journal template, design a template that mimics a scrapbook or aesthetic board with Polaroid-style frames and vintage filters. Canva generate overlays, stickers, and frames. Remove.bg remove backgrounds from placeholder images for a clean, aesthetic look. Before and after transformation template perfect for fitness, makeovers, or glow-up videos with smooth split-screen transitions. Deepart.io add artistic or dramatic effects to the after clip. CapCut AI use auto-edit features for enhanced transitions. Cinematic travel montage template highlights stunning landscapes, slow-motion transitions, and text overlays sync to music. Sync text to audio perfectly. Pixlr enhance images with filters before adding them to the template. Text-based storytelling template create templates for personal stories, motivational messages, or quotes. Combine animated text overlays with subtle video effects. Copy.ai generate engaging text or stories. DID Studio add AI-generated voiceovers for a professional touch. Photo collage, stop-motion template create a collage or stop-motion effect using placeholders for user-uploaded photos. InPlay create GIFs or short stop-motion sequences to incorporate into your template. Cleanup, pictures remove unwanted elements from photos before incorporating them. Use popular music trending audio significantly boosts discoverability. Optimize for customization ensure placeholders are intuitive and easy to swap. Test functionality create sample videos with your template to ensure smooth transitions and a cohesive flow. Include a call to action in your description, such as create your own theme video with this template. Incorporate AI effects tools like Runway ML or Canva can add unique overlays, animations, or designs that make your template pop. Keep it simple, avoid overcomplicating. Users love templates that are quick and easy to use. Finally, track the performance of your templates. Keep an eye on metrics like views, users, and shares to understand what's working and adapt your content accordingly. If you found these tips on creating viral CapCut templates helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your ideas or experiences with template creation. We might even feature your suggestions in future videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more actionable tips on content creation and monetization. Be sure to check out our other videos for even more insights on how to grow your creative journey and turn your passion into profit. Let's create and succeed together.